Let's give a special touch to our day with this delicious recipe. First, grate a fresh carrot and set aside. Heat a frying pan with olive oil and add the grated carrot. Fry until lightly browned. Now, let's go to the bolu. Pour the fried carrot. Add 2 eggs. Salt to taste. Pepper of the kingdom. Oregano. And finish with parsley and chopped chives. Mix everything very well until you get a homogeneous mass. Heat a little more olive oil in the frying pan and pour the dough. Spread well so that it cooks evenly. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Now comes the best part. Cover the dough with a generous layer of grated mozzarella. Cover again and cook until the cheese melts completely. And is ready our delicious snack. If you like this recipe, enjoy the video and sign up for more amazing cooking tips and tricks. See you next time.